Which is a state? Punjab. Bangladesh is in which direction from India? East. In which state is Kodaikanal? Tamil Nadu. Who was a singer? Lata Mangeshkar. On which date is Independence Day celebrated in India? August 15. What is the name of the big mountains in the north? Himalayas. Which day is celebrated as National Science Day in India? February 28. Who was popularly known as Netaji? Subhas Chandra Bose. Which language is widely spoken in India? Hindi. How many states are there in India? 28.